Want to know how to use PowerPoint on Microsoft 365? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can just simply open PowerPoint and use it easily in just under a minute. So let's get right into it. Now, first things first, just simply open up your m365.cloud.microsoft and you should be right here. And now, once you're here on the top left side, you should be seeing navigation or the menu. Just simply open it up, which will pop you up right here. And right below Excel, you should be seeing PowerPoint. You can just simply select that. And now once you activate PowerPoint, as you can see right here, you should be under powerpoint.cloud.microsoft. And now once you're under that, as you can see right here, after a while your PowerPoint should load up. It's basically the same PowerPoint, but it's in the web form. So you can either upload a file or create a blank presentation. So once you have created that, your file should automatically be saved easily. There's no worry about that. Now you can just simply see right here, you can just simply add titles, insert images, you can use the navigation, everything for free, safely, but on the web itself. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more videos. See you in the next one.